Hello everyone, welcome to Cook We Will. Today I'm going to show you a recipe for baked chicken legs with potatoes on a base made from sauerkraut.
Let's go!
First thing we have to make is the sauerkraut base. Let's start with a little bit of olive oil. Now diced bacon, about 1 cup. 1 sliced onion. And 2 or 3 cloves of garlic that I sliced. Once the onions become translucent and the bacon bits start to brown, it's time to add the sauerkraut. This is about 1 kilo, so roughly 2 pounds. Next thing we need to add is sugar, about 2 tablespoons. And 1 cup of chicken stock or broth. Mix it properly and cook for about 15 minutes. We can also season the sauerkraut with salt and black pepper. While the sauerkraut is cooking, we can season the chicken. Let's start with olive oil. This is a mix of onion powder, garlic powder and sweet paprika. Italian seasoning. And salt and pepper. Now use your hands to mix it and distribute the flavors. Transfer the sauerkraut to a baking dish. Spread it evenly. Now place the chicken legs at the top of the sauerkraut mixture. Leave some space for the potatoes that we're going to add in a minute. Slice the potatoes in thick wedges. Season the potatoes with olive oil, salt and pepper. Now fill all the spaces between the meat with the potatoes. 1 last touch of Italian seasonings. Now cover the baking sheet with aluminum foil and bake at 220 Celsius or 425 Fahrenheit for about 1 hour. The chicken has been baking for about an hour, so let's test with a fork. It slides in easily, so that's pretty much done. So we're gonna bake it for about 15, maybe 20 more minutes. Uncovered. 20 minutes have passed and I think it looks great. We're done.